Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off all day reminders, today notification on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page we scroll down, and in here tap on reminders. Next, scroll down to the all day reminders section and then tap on today notification. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you turn this on, you can also set a time to show a notification when there are all day reminders. So tap on that to to select a time. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.